There you go. I'm gonna bite. Got him. Yep. Nice. On the camera too, baby. On the camera. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, in the middle. Fucking up my yum dinger. I got a game at 9:30 tomorrow. At night. Huh? Yeah. A league that I play in. North Houston. Yeah. Fishing with the yum dinger. June bug. Texas rig. Oh shit! Oh dang! I got that on camera! Dang! Huh? That scared the hell out of me! That's a nice size one. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Got him. Oh! I know. I know it's the same one that I missed earlier. Oh! Bucket mouth, little chunk. Nice little chunk. I lost a yum dinger. Damn, dude. Check me out. Hey. For real. It's a nice one. Get my scale real quick. Oh, damn. Had a hit right there. No, I got him. I got him. He's swimming right towards me. Little guy. Little guy. Nice little guy. Not too bad. Boy. No. Yep. Damn, he's. Ah, he's a little chunk. Barely hooked in the lip, too. Damn, another nice one. We killing on the young dinger. Look at that. Number 4. Out here. Another nice one. Boy JC, Johnny. Nice little chunk. Probably about 3-4 pounds. Nah, more like 2. Yeah. Oh! As soon as it hit the water, dude. As soon as it hit the water. I don't know, dude. Yeah, as soon as it hit the water. Try not to. Got him. Got him free. Nah, he's a little short, but still, he's still a nice one. Damn, bro! Damn! Dude, this is. Look at the bucket mouth on this thing. Damn, bro! That's a chunk. That's a chunk. I know. Look at that. That's a chunk. Me too. This one just, that other one I got, it just swallowed it, dude. Another one. Where you going? Nope. Oh, damn! Yeah, I still got him. And this one's another nice one, bro. Oh no, he wrapped himself around the limb. Yeah. Come on, no, don't do this to me. Got him. Oh, damn! Hey, he's right here. He's right here. Oh. I know, I gave him too much slack. Hey, easy catch and release. It's all good. We still out here fishing, having fun. Hey, nah, he's chilling right here, dude. I mean, I saw him swimming this way, so he's not too far off. Hey, go ahead, bro. You can. Yeah, just chill right around the little thing right there. Little gap. That one? They're feeding today, dude. Oh, this is a nice one. You wanted this one. Oh, no, that's a little guy. Come on, stop doing that. Huh? Nah, that's just a little guy. A little dink. Yeah, that was a big one too, bro. Yeah. Some nice sized bass in this pond. We're back to back. I'm back to back. Nah, you're good. Just reel up. There you go. Another little chunk. Out here just catching, having fun. It's not even that cold. Probably in the 60s. I don't think it's in the 50s yet. Yeah, no. A nice little fat one. See him? Nice little fat one. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh shit, he's pulling drag. Come on, baby, come here. Yeah. Damn, he's stuck on that tree. Still swimming. God damn. That was a nice one. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Well, I have a fluorocarbon leader.